Different picture that we are seeing now, and in one of the latest development in the Ebola crisis, a top UN official has warned that the world is losing the fight against this virus as it's continuing to spread across West Africa. And this call to action was actually directed squarely at the UN Security Council. How was the message received?
Well, there hasn't been any concrete action yet, but a joint resolution is expected to be adopted in the coming days following the special session to discuss the Ebola crisis. Addressing council members on Tuesday, Anthony Banbury, the head of the UN's Ebola response mission, said the international community needed to redouble its efforts to send medical staff and supplies to West Africa. He warned that as long as there is a single case of Ebola, the virus would be a threat to all countries and all people.
Many more people will die. But if we do not get ahead of the crisis, if we do not reach our targets, and the number of people with Ebola rises dramatically, as some have predicted, the plan we have is not scalable to the size of such a new crisis. We either stop Ebola now, or we face an entirely unprecedented situation for which we do not have a plan.
Meanwhile, health authorities in the U.S. state of Texas have confirmed that a second healthcare worker has tested positive for Ebola. The World Health Organization says if the viral outbreak continues on its current course, some 10,000 new cases per week are expected to arise by the end of this year.